Hi there, my name is Veena Prashant. I'm the co-founder of Digital Access Pass, a membership plugin for WordPress. I'm also the creator of Smart Quiz Builder, the best quiz and survey plugin for WordPress. I'm so excited to welcome you to the 14-day membership site challenge, where my goal is to show you step by step how to set up a solid framework that will help you build and grow your membership site and eventually get to the $100,000 a year in revenue without the stress and overwhelm. The goal is not to generate $100,000 in 14 days. That's not what I'm going to show you. That's not what this challenge is about. This challenge is about how you can set up a solid framework in 14 days. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, exactly what path to follow, exactly the plan, everything I'm going to show you step by step. But the goal is to show you how you can build that framework, how you can set up your membership site, what are the products you should create to eventually get to the $100,000 a year in recurring revenue from your membership site. Okay, that's the goal. Now, your success depends on you. You got to implement what you learn to find success. I cannot guarantee results, but I know that these things work because I use it myself. I have gotten great results from it. So it all depends on you. Now, getting to $100,000 a year in consistent, stable income from your online business, it's not easy, but it's doable. It's 100% doable if you follow the right path, if you follow the right plan, if you follow the right steps. Now, here are some of the key things. Number one, you need to know your audience. You need to know exactly what problems they have, what are their struggles, and what they need help with, what problem they want solved. And then you need to identify products and services, content that you can create to help solve that problem for them. Number two, don't build without a plan. In this challenge, my goal is to help you come up with a plan for your membership site. We'll identify the right products, right services, free as well as paid products you can create to serve your audience based on their specific needs. And so we are going to first create the plan before we build anything, before we create anything, before we set up anything. We are going to first come up with a plan, and we're going to finalize the plan. Then we'll move on to the next step. Number three, we are not just going to create one product as part of this challenge. We are going to create multiple products, free as well as paid. I strongly believe that you need to have multiple lead magnets, not just one lead magnet, not just one freebie, but multiple lead magnets and different types of lead magnets. One of the lead magnets could be as simple as a quiz. We'll definitely set up a quiz-based lead magnet in this challenge. I'll also show you how you can create different types of lead magnets, because one size does not fit all. Different people have different needs, different wants, different struggles. So we're going to create different types of lead magnets, all related to your main offer, to your main product, but different types of lead magnets. I'll also show you how you can create a fun, engaging, gamified online course experience, online challenge experience, and differentiate your course, your challenge from everything else that's out there. Engagement is no longer a nice to have when it comes to online learning. It's a must have. The easiest way to get your students motivated, get them excited to complete your course or complete your challenge is through rewards and recognition. Whether you do this through simple words of encouragement or showing excitement when they complete your quiz, when they get a certain grade, when they complete a lesson, when they complete your challenge, when they complete your course, or through rewards and recognition. There are so many different ways you can gamify your entire course experience and get your students to actually complete your course or complete your challenge. So I'll take you behind the scenes of this challenge to show you how I have gamified the whole experience and how you can do the same. I'm also going to show you how you can build an engaging, gamified membership dashboard where your members would want to keep coming back for more. I'm also going to show you how you can set up a follow-up sequence, a follow-up campaign, so that you can use a quiz to segment your audience and you can tag them. And then you can use the follow-up sequence to nurture your audience, to nurture your list, where ultimately when you send them an offer, they will not hesitate to buy from you. Now, another key element of this whole challenge is the tools, right? You cannot implement all of these things without the right tool. You need a system where you can implement all of this and you can automate all of this. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can implement everything that you're going to learn in this challenge using DAP, which is my membership plugin, and using Smart Quiz Builder, which is my quiz plugin. But even if you use a different membership plugin or a quiz platform, you can still take this challenge. But I would recommend using DAP because everything that I'm going to show you how to implement it using DAP and using SQB. So it's going to be much easier. And also DAP has all of these features. You can use DAP to create and deliver all kinds of products and services, courses, challenges. This challenge, I'm actually delivering it using DAP, which is my membership plugin. So I'm going to show you everything end to end, how to do it using DAP. DAP can be the foundation of your entire online business. Now, I cannot guarantee results. I'll do my best to be there for you, to help you implement this challenge, to answer any questions. I want to see you succeed. I want to see you grow your business where you can get $200,000 a year. It's 100% doable. It's possible. Now, it all depends on you And basically, you need to complete the challenge. And completing the challenge does not just mean watch the videos. This challenge won't be effective if you just watch the videos, because you will forget about what you learned if you just watch it and don't do anything about it. So make sure to watch the videos and implement what you learn before you start the next lesson. And I'm positive you're going to see great results. I'm so excited to have you here. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this video. Be sure to sign up below to get started. I can't wait to see you on the other side. And let's make the $100,000 a year goal a reality.